Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are on Saxthorpe Avenue, right off Constant Spring Road, and we're looking at the construction that's going on of a building. I'm assuming it's a residential building. A subscriber asked us to do this video. Not sure the name of the complex or anything. So if anybody knows, you can leave a comment in the section below. But we're trying to go through all of the we're trying to make videos for all of the requests that subscribers made. So we're just doing a quick video on this building to show them what's going on. And this is the building that's going up across the road from BNS. That's BNS Constant Spring Road across there. So we're just giving an update for the subscribers, and we really appreciate the comments you guys leave and the requests that you make, because we're happy to make the videos. Just recently somebody asked us about the Bloomfield in Mandeville, and we actually made the videos. I didn't even know about that development. So if there's any other development that you guys want us to do a video on, we're happy to do it. Alright, so this is 2 Saxthorpe Avenue off Constant Spring Road, right across from Bank of Nova Scotia. And just let you guys know, all the videos that we talk, all the buildings, construction, road projects that we talk about, we will make videos on them. For instance, the other day we did a video talking about the major construction going on in Kingston, and we have been making the videos of all the buildings that we spoke about. Alright, so this is 2 Saxthorpe, so we're going to continue now on the road. So Constant Spring Road was recently renovated, and ever since it was renovated, there's so much development going on it. Alright, so this is Constant Spring Road here. You can only turn left because of the concrete barricade, the Jersey barrier. And unfortunately, that's the only way sometimes to control the flow of traffic in Jamaica. If that concrete barricade was not there, I guarantee you, if there was just a sign, persons would go across the road, block up the road just to turn right. A lot of indiscipline on the roads. But that's going to change as soon as the government starts issuing tickets via the cameras. Now the law has passed, it's now the law, they can issue the tickets. However, they haven't started yet. There is a camera you can see at the stoplight, so if somebody runs the stoplight, the camera will pick it up and a ticket issued to the person that the car is registered to. It doesn't have to be the driver, but the person the car is registered to. So we're hoping that system, they'll start issuing the tickets very soon, but they haven't started yet. And a lot of persons think with the new traffic laws that came into effect on February 1st, that those tickets started to go out via the cameras. However, they haven't started yet, but the law is in place, so whenever they are ready, they can start issuing them. Okay, there's the building from another view. That's BNS on the left. This is a pet and garden store on the left. This is NCB on the left. And we're now coming up to Mary Brown's corner. So a lot of construction is going on in Jamaica. I've never seen so much construction going on ever before in Jamaica at one time. The amount of buildings that are going up, the amount of highways that are going up, it's unbelievable. This is the Oaklands complex on the left. We have videos of a tour in Oakland, so you can check it out. Very nice complex. built a long time ago, probably over 20-30 years ago. And those towers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 floors, probably 7 floors if you include the ground floor. And at the time, this would have been a large development because it's very rare for buildings to be that high. Now, today, look at that white car reversing on the main road. Unbelievable. Now they have stopped. They reversed and stopped. I don't know what's going on over there. The person came out. Sometimes you just have to see things to believe it. Okay, this is another major construction going up on the left. This is beside Furniture Land on Kingston Spring Road. So I'm assuming it's 110 Kingston Spring Road. We'll make a video about that. Probably have to do a drone video because you can't see much of the development from the road. So this is now the intersection of Central Avenue and Shortwood Road. Turn left, we go on to Shortwood Road. Turn right, we go on to Central Avenue. And if we continue straight, we stay on Kingston Spring Road.